Welcome to the Auxwall software tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create a sales invoice in the Auxwall Gym Management application. Why choose a sales invoice? Using a sales invoice is essential for several reasons. First, accurate record keeping. Sales invoices help you maintain precise records of all transactions. Second, clear documentation. Sales invoices clearly document each transaction, facilitating better financial analysis and reporting. This clarity makes it easier to understand your income streams. Lastly, enhanced cash flow management. By utilizing sales invoices, you can improve cash flow management, ensuring timely payments and better financial planning. Let's get started with the tutorial. First, press the Account tab button from the dashboard. Then, click the Vouchers tab. Next, click the Sales Invoice tab. Here, if any existing records, they will be displayed with the client names, invoice numbers, amounts, and payment statuses. You can refine the sales data by date by choosing the date from this selection. You can sort the invoices by clicking the up and down arrow buttons in the table header to arrange them in ascending or descending order. You can search by a specific client or invoice number to retrieve the desired invoice. A filter option is also available for more precise searching. You can see two buttons on the top right side, Export button and Create New button. By clicking the Export button, you will see two options. One for exporting to Excel and the other for exporting it to PDF. To generate a new sales invoice, simply click the Create New button. Here, you can create either an item invoice or a non-item invoice. Let's start with the item invoice. An item invoice is used for transactions involving specific goods or products that need to be tracked in inventory. And the purpose are: manages stock levels by adjusting quantities after each sale, provides detailed information about each item sold, including descriptions, quantities, and unit prices. Item invoices provide detailed data that can be analyzed for inventory turnover, sales trends, and product performance. Let's move to the use case. Ideal for gyms that sell physical products, such as protein powders, energy drinks, and water bottles. It helps in managing inventory accurately and tracking sales performance for these items, ensuring you meet customer demand effectively. Next, let's move on to the non-item invoice. A non-item invoice is used for services rendered or transactions that do not involve specific items. And the purpose are: captures charges for services, gym membership, or other non-tangible goods. Simplifies the invoicing process when tracking physical inventory is not necessary. Non-item invoices prioritize service profitability and client billing trends. Let's move to the use case. For gyms, it enables straightforward billing and membership management without the complexities of stock management, making it easier to focus on providing excellent service to your clients. Let's get back to the video on creating sales invoices. Enter the reference number. Here, I'm creating an item invoice, so I'm checking the box. Now you can see an account selection box. Please select the appropriate ledger account. Or, for creating a new ledger account under Revenue, go to the Accounts tab in the dashboard. Then click the Chart of Accounts tab. Then click the Profit and Loss account. Then click the Income. This is where you can view the revenue listed under Income. While clicking on the revenue, you can see all the accounts under Revenue. To create a new ledger account under Revenue, simply click the plus button. This will open a window where you can enter the account name. Once you've done that, please click the Save button. Then choose the customer from the selection box. Or if you need to create a new customer, input the customer name in the customer selection box. A Create option will appear. Click the Create option. This will open a form for you to enter customer details. Fill in the required fields, including name, contact information, email ID, and nationality. Once the form is completed, click Save. The added customer details will now appear in the selection list. Select the date. You can add multiple items, including their units and quantities. The total amount will be automatically calculated based on the unit price and quantity. Click the Add Row button to include additional items. Then provide a description in the narration section. If you wish to apply a discount, enter it here. The total amount will be adjusted accordingly, subtracting the discount from the overall total. Choose the applicable tax from the selection box. For guidance on creating taxes or for any related queries, please refer to the Adding Tax tutorial video. Grand total display, the total amount plus the tax amount. Finally, click the Save button. To update sales entry, double-click on the row to modify the necessary information. This window will display the previous details, and you can modify them according to your requirements. You can save the modification by clicking the Save button. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 options. One of them is for generating a new receipt against the invoice. For creating a new receipt against invoice, simply click the button, enter the required details, and then save. For more information on creating a receipt and additional guidance, you can watch the Add Receipt Voucher tutorial. The next option is for PDF generation. You can export to PDF by clicking the button. The other option is the Delete feature. You can delete the invoice by clicking the Delete button. Thank you for completing this tutorial. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to contact us. We appreciate your use of the Auxwall Gym Management application.